And we are live. Allow me to get the mic. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Now we go back to programming. At least we'll start with programming, then we can do something else. I mean, maybe we can do like I can do 3 hours. Only 2 hours and a half. So basically till 6 p.m. So we can do 1 hour of programming, 1 hour and a half of gaming, or like all programming, whatever. I mean, it depends on what we have to do today. And I did not, I don't remember what specifically, like only that we had some to-dos. So let's search for to-dos. Find a way to use the same constant buffer definition from both HLSL and C++. That's very good to do. Wrap simple math and expose better for me API. If present ever crashes, then fix it. Okay. Should we generate the raw wheel events or virtual wheel events? Okay, so these we need to do this because right now, like, the wheel events are very not right. So generate virtual wheel events. Move states, mcar state, get row wheel, get input event. I could use both the row wheel and the virtual wheel. So this is the row wheel, and this is the virtual wheel. Okay. Input event, make row wheel, make virtual wheel. Here, float the wheel. Like here it's not the wheel per se, but the wheel multiplier, but whatever. Int row wheel, float virtual wheel. Okay. So I have back pain today. I have some serious back pain today. This is the row, and this is the input type virtual wheel, and this is the virtual wheel. Now let's compile. Obviously problems everywhere. Make wheel. So this is generate row wheel events. Make wheel, make row wheel, and here we generate virtual wheel events. So if dot get virtual wheel, it's different from, like, it's not 0 basically. Then we do events and place back input event, make virtual wheel, get virtual wheel. Fantastic. So we both generate the virtual and the row. Conversion from float to int. What? Get the row wheel. Okay. So yeah, that's not a problem at all. Float, and here it's float, and here is float. Let's rebuild everything. Null implicit truncation of vector type. Okay. Oh, because this is okay. So float for this is a direction, so it's 0. and then we take the XYZ. Okay, fantastic. Rebuild. Will illegal. Okay, here we have the raw and the virtual. Raw will, virtual will, raw will, virtual will. Oh, sorry, because rebuilding actually triggers all the warnings, etc. Not all control paths return. Let's put a return something like this. Okay, so sorry. Rebuild. Let's do something like that just for just to avoid warning. C4715. Oh my god. Rebuild again. Okay. Not all control paths return something. So we do the same thing. F8. Do the same thing. Unreferenced formal parameter. So Lucy. Okay, we don't have unused. Checks. We don't have a utils kind of. Oh yeah, we do have. Oops. Define Lucy unused a void a unused I can't do that though. I just forgot. Oh yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. Oh yes, I can do something like this. Oh my god. I just have like this blank on how to do variadic macros. Via yeah, but I have to, oh yeah, I have to do this. Fantastic. And I'll do something like this. Okay, so yeah, it works. Kinda works. Kinda genius. I know, guys. It's kinda genius as always. And here we can do the same. So we'll see. Unused. This. 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 What happens if I do this? Well, it makes no sense to do this. Let's try. Yeah, no warnings. So it makes sense. Okay, I don't really care about it, but okay. We did something. My back pain. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. When I do this, I get a row wheel of 1, then a virtual wheel of 1, a virtual wheel of this, and until it reaches basically something like that, and then it stops. The next one will probably be 0. I don't know if I should add. No, well, a virtual wheel of 0 makes no sense. So yeah, even a row wheel of 0 makes no sense. Okay, so to do. Temporary texture classes. So we just fixed our we fixed our, so generate both as a commit message, generate both row and virtual mouse wheel events. Fantastic. Now next to do on the list of importance, I think it's the texture. Implement CPU texture and GPU texture because it's very clunky. Like this is basically repeated, duplicated code, which is very error prone. Which is very error prone. So the idea is just to implement to have the same thing we did for meshes. So as we have a CPU mesh and a GPU mesh, because you can have a mesh CPU side on RAM and GPU side on VRAM, and do the same thing for textures. So I have a CPU texture, so close all other tabs, saving CPU texture, and then we want to add GPU texture. Now here do the class CPU texture, okay, with the default everything, so don't care about it. I know. I'm making a unique pointer of a unique Do I need to do it? Can't I simply have my scratch image here? Yes. Yeah. So then we need our copy constructor deleted. Oh, yeah. Our move constructor deleted. We don't want to deal with this bullshit, basically. And then the copy assignment and move assignment deleted. And scratch image, DirectX text. So we import this here. Scratch DirectX scratch image and image. Then we have a static static std unique pointer CPU texture log from file const std string reference path. So we also have the string, and we need to add our CPU texture cpp file. First thing to do is include the precompiled header, then we include the header, so CPU texture, and then have our namespace to avoid repeating the same thing over and over. To be incremental. Now I just need to do a good old whippity woppity constraint to get the metadata, so we don't need to do that. Okay, fantastic. So basically need to do this, but of course I need to do this. Identifier image is identify an image. Alright, so this is a static method, so that's the thing. So auto CPU texture, let's call it texture, it's obviously a CPU texture. std make unique CPU texture, fantastic. And then we say texture dot better and image, fantastic. Oh, because it needs a reference. That's that basically. And then we just return texture, and we are done actually. So that's our GPU texture basically. Could I just like inherit from this and call it a day? Because in this way I could like just call the methods I'm supposed to call. Get image cut, get images. What's get image? Let's get metadata, get pixels. Do we call get image? I think I'll do this and call it a day. Yeah. Oh, I need the utils. Lucy, get string from get string from string. Here we go. What? Cannot come. Auto auto path system. Let's go. Okay, this is very good, maybe very good. So auto axis base CPU. So base CPU texture. Okay, we did the out. Texture. CPU texture. CPU texture. Load from file. And let's call it image for now. Bam. And that's the same thing, basically. That's the same thing, but we are wrapping it with our API. We're not really wrapping it. We're not really wrapping it, to be honest, but it's a start to use generate bitmaps. Okay, later. We also need the GPU texture. GPU texture. As always, we don't want copy constructor. We did. Okay. Move constructor and the assignments. What we want is, well, let's add the C++ file. So GPU texture. GPU, no, sorry, precompiled. Then we need the oh my, Well, we want these basic. Oops. We'll see if they did that. Texture. Texture should have a subsphere. So honestly, let's do it like that. Static. Here we want the memory and also the string. Why? std unique pointer, GPU texture, load from CPU the GPU mesh from CPU mesh, so from CPU texture, and here it's just the CPU, CPU. Oh my god, back pain is killing me today. Like, I never have back pain. I never had back pain in my life. Today I just moved in some way that I wasn't supposed to, apparently, and oh my god, it's killing me. So CPU texture pointer, CPU texture, yeah, let's call it okay, GPU texture. Here we have the std make unique GPU texture, turn GPU texture, and oh yeah, of course we need to actually do something in here, which is this, I presume. Oh god, the pain. So metadata, we need the metadata. Constante metadata, CPU texture, get metadata. Image, CPU texture, boom, boom, boom. enter TXMan cleaner. Oh, the device 3D11 ID 3D11 device pointer. And it's time to actually, oh my god, oh my god, the pain. think it's better. No, it's not better. Oof. I think I'll finish this quick and I'll stop the stream because the back pain today is killing me. So, what's the problem? Yes, of course, this is the problem. Base texture, of course. And texture. Texture.cut and texture shader resource view. Okay, fantastic. So this I should like have a pointer. ID 3011 texture 2D. Create texture 2D. Why don't I call it? Shift F12. Oh. Texture 2D. I want to create a texture 2D. So I have the create texture today. So I have the D3D11 create texture. What? Namespace D3D11 is undefined. No, there is something wrong here. Oh, that's the problem. Yeah. So I need the device, I need the desk, and I need the subres data. Fantastic. And here we go. And now GPU texture M texture shader resource view D3D11 create shader resource view. Yes. And we need the ID3D11 resource. Resource view, create shader resource view, and we need the device which we call create shader resource view, we need the ID3D level resource. Python. We need the desk, so it's better to just do this at this point and say in optional, so something like this, and then oops, we need no, we don't need this, so we pass the resource, the desk, the pointer to a pointer shader source view, so basically we do this and get the address of this returns an H result, so win32 check HR. Now we do this, we go here, what? No, because it's option. Does not take 0 arguments. Of course it doesn't. Desk, the resource, the Dare3D11 shader resource view desk, the device. Yes sir. Simpler code, better code. Now base texture, sorry, std unique pointer GPU texture and GPU texture, image metadata, the desk. Oh no, we can just pass so here mip maps. Oh my god. And then we say GP, so base texture equals GPU texture from CPU texture ngfx.get device here is the monkey texture. Goodbye. Compile. Everything will break because base texture shadows and get at the resolve. So in the GPU texture, oops, in the public, so here is get address of shader resource view, shader resource view, return and texture shader resource view dot get address of. So get address of base texture get oops get address of shader resource view. Let's run it and everything breaks. Why? Monkey texture is empty. The monkey texture is empty. Yeah, I know why. Because I'm stupid, because I always copy paste and this is the first source of errors. Voila, everything looking good. As like everything, if everything stays the same, means that apparently our code does the same thing. So we have preserved the behavior, we have conserved the behavior of our code, but our code is better, of better quality. This is what refactoring actually is. Remove this to do. Implement CPU both CPU and GPU texture classes. Commit all and push. Okay. I would love to keep going, but my back hurts, so I'll stop here.